Hey guys, welcome to Jack in the Toy Box. This is our very first episode, so we hope you like it. If you do enjoy the video, then please, we'd love you to like and subscribe at the end. But here is our very first toy unboxing. We're going to do some great content, see some great toys, but this is one that's brand new to Jack's collection today. What do you think, Jack? Is it a good one?
I've got some Disney Star Wars Wikkeez.
Okay.
But I've only got... But if you get just a blind bag thing,
yeah,
it is 2 inside.
Okay, and how many have we got here?
10.
10.
Wow. And also, it's got a bag inside that you can put your Wikkeez in.
Fantastic, Jack. Okay. Well, should we take a look inside? Let's unbox it for the guys and girls. Let's see what we've got. Just easy open. So, of course, this is Star Wars, which is now part of the Disney Empire. 10 great characters inside here, beautifully packaged. Let's show the guys how it comes inside. There you go, so you can see it. Got a top layer that we can take off here, Jack, yeah? Should we take that off carefully and show them?
It'll pull
So do you want to take them out individually and show the guys who they are, Jack? So who are you going to go for first?
That one. This one is a
Snowstorm Trooper?
Yeah.
Right, put him there so everyone can see him.
And the next one,
yeah,
he's just an ordinary stormtrooper.
Great, okay. Let's show the guys and put him next to him. That's great. So, ordinary stormtrooper, yeah. Who have we got next? One of my favourites. We love him.
C-3PO.
C-3PO. Everybody's favourite droid. Cool. And here's the boss. Here's the little guy who sorts everything out.
Yoda.
Yeah.
I think this is my favourite.
One of Jack's favourites. That's good to know. Thanks, Jack. So that's Boba Fett, yeah. Who have we got here?
Luke Skywalker.
One of the good guys. It's Luke. 4 left to go, guys. These Wikkeez are really nicely made. Great colour, lots of details.
This one was
Jabba the Hutt. Not Pizza Hut. Jabba the Hutt.
Look like pizza. R2-D2.
R2-D2. Awesome.
Small.
I think we're running out of space on our line, aren't we? Should we move them up a little bit and we'll put one at the other end? What do you think, guys, so far? Great collection, eh?
And it is
the other end, yeah. Han Solo at the other end, yeah. Wow. We should give the guys a close-up, let them have a look at Han Solo. Put a bit closer to the camera. Look at that, guys. So that's the sort of quality we're talking about. Great detail. And one more, and we're not sure of this one, I think, are we, Jack? It looks like some kind of battle droid, or it's certainly a bad guy, isn't he?
I think he's got 10 lightsabers.
Oh, is it that guy?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so let's just flip around a little.
Hello.
See him on the end. Hello. Wow, what a collection. So what do you think, guys? That's the 10 Wikkeez Star Wars Disney available. We bought this today from Argos here in the UK. Great set. We think it's really fun. Jack, what do you reckon?
Hello.
Jack loves it, yeah?
Yeah.
So, guys, Jack, if they like it and they want to subscribe, what do they do? Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Let's do the next one.
Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
It's called